how to get $100 Lyft promo code. If you're a frequent Lyft rider or just planning your next trip, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to get a $100 Lyft promo code. That's right, discounts on your rides, and who doesn't love saving money? So let's get into it. First things first, you can simply find promo codes in various websites. Let's check an our first, which is coupon follow. Simply go to couponfollow.com, and at the top you can find a search bar. Simply tap on it and simply search for Lyft. Now simply press enter. From here you can find various coupon codes. You may not simply find $100, but you can find various 50%, 40%, and you can simply add it and make 100%. Simply tap on any of the coupon code, and here you can simply copy or simply click on redeem at Lyft. Simply make sure you're logged into your Lyft account and simply enter the promo code that we just got. And that's it. That's how you can simply get $100 Lyft promo code in Lyft.